glasses. Rubbish. All the girl. Yeah, Marika. Come and check me over my yard. Yeah, me need to talk to you. Right. See, I'm looking shit house.
Yes, hello? This is Mrs. Thompson? Yes, so you got the package already? Yes, you can send it in my name. Don't trust nobody else but Brad, me. Yes, I know that you can trust me. Yes.
Brad.
Yes. And when you send it, I will come over to you the next day, okay? I'm getting your next call. I will call you back soon. Okay, bye-bye for now.
That's all a good for. You don't know no better work for doing in your life. Eh?
Hush up, man. I want to take listen, yes, man, I chop. I can't chop. I want to take, man. Hush up, man. Put me in my client go. I'm going to chop me my client pan, girl.
I'm here talking.
Girl, listen.
No, I'm here talking.
Sister, sorry.
No, who are the bigger one?
Eh?
Who are the
Are
bigger
you
one?
a bigger one, but me a smaller one, but me a try to show somebody on the line, I try to chop piece of food.
That now not to do it.
It's the Christmas I come.
And so?
More money. I don't know give me no money. I want to no money.
You're thief.
I'm 4 parents money me I work for, I can't tell me no, where I say no.
Listen to me. The rice left on the fire, right? And the packet left on the corner. You know, pull it. You have to go rush with quick. So guess what? How much the rice pull up? Brad, you can depend on me.
Depend on me?
Yeah, if you finish the pan.
Finish the pot?
Yes. Because guess
Me not have no time for that. Me not finish no pot. Anywhere I go, you got it done. I made that angle for your pot. I made that steal for later. Me not have no time for that. I bang me a bang line.
Listen to me, Brad.
That time go pot. Matter of fact, I don't know if it. I don't know if you cook jack mackerel like
me tell the teacher if you cook jack mackerel and white rice. The rice the
me not like them sitting there dog food that.
Listen.
It's a dog food that they are cook. Me?
So
this a boy ya. Mo take cook am left in them make hands sticky.
How much line now you know want eat dog food.
Girl, go on with the dog food.
You're gonna me and you're gonna finish cooking
me.
Food. Listen to me.
Me.
I go over my friend because my friend call me. Anytime she call me important, I'm here to
me not busy about no friends. Say your friend more than chat and bang line.
You not chat round ya. Listen to me.
What you say?
Me a bigger one. And top one. Oh, so true you start growing your by your balls and me so you turn man.
Sister, it's you have for me around me now. That means when time me a beard, I don't watch me. That's me a beard.
Stop fighting on my face. Relax yourself. Calm down your nerves. And me a bigger one. Remember that.
Sister, you know, see how wicked I'm not like you. Yeah, wicked, you know.
My first never like you. And you go finish cooking food. Move.
Sister, you know, say another time I want to go check in, sister, you know. You look a boyfriend, you have a best, you know.
That not nothing to do with you.
So sister just treat me a little when I want to send me go in the kitchen.
Go cooking food.
Sister, you know, start already. You know, start already. Who started, finish it.
Listen, you see? Let me come back and the rice burn up and you see which food you're serving at this house.
That turn black bite and you come back.
When you go sleep tonight, watch it, Joe. Brad.
You know, me tell mommy.
Straight to
go tell mommy, you know.
Go
Every time mommy,
Go cut off. I'm not telling you. I'm going to run business.
I go tell mommy for you.
Yeah.
You can come?
Come, me can't see they can come.
No, I don't know if you're Monday, so I have to ask if I can come. What do you know? Thank you.
I just want to talk to you about which man do? Which man I talk about?
So we're Monday.
Which one? Listen to me, listen. Is there a new Monday? Him now go on good, my friend. Him now go on good, so me have to cut all ties with him. You understand?
So
The man just listen no, he just a try no make no sense. It no make no sense at all. He just a try too hard. You understand? You know say if me text him man, alright, he carry me for all the dates, right? Yeah. Me give thanks. Cause you know say man fi carry woman for dates.
Yeah, man.
But if me text him man and beg him one little dollar girl, the man text me what weird on in the night and say I made it busy.
Eh?
Yes, made it busy. So me
So
me
wait,
could.
a night on.
Oh, a
And night
stingy the
time
man
after
stingy. He come like he don't want to give me the money and he just want to carry me go swear what he don't want to give me the money. And so no,
Him sound like a white man.
which white man?
And so white
He's
people
a dirty
can-
black man, but white man.
White people love making
And-
them, but then I like give you money.
And what me really call if you talk to your boys, you see relationship what me have before. Yeah. You don't know girl. You come like say me can't get over it.
Ah, Jesus, I come back this side.
No matter how much man me talk to girl, it they can't in my heart like all that them man they really there in my heart. You understand? I just see truth, girl.
Me understand, man.
Me feel like at that type problem, you know. Me can't take him from out of my head.
You know, so that will be a big problem. You have to try and let him go. You
Boy,
can move on with somebody else. If I continue to have him in your brain, it's gonna be a big problem. You go cause problem in a relationship and you go start judge the person where you talk to wrongfully. You understand what I say? So you have to find a way to get rid of that.
me try, girl, me try. This a run why third somebody me a talk to, you know. And like some me give them no, me no give them no coochie cause me not so easy. Me just a try a little thing to see if like, you know, me up there.
You know,
But me not up there, me down there. Me down there, girl, cause me can't take him out of my brain. I don't know if you do it.
Since I can't take him out of your brain, I feel like you're jumping on one next relationship too fast.
But you
I
know,
feel like if you breeze off yourself, get back a headspace, and then I think about relationship.
Marika,
If I continue jump in a relationship and then start do certain things, judge that the person, judge this a person, yeah. It not go better feel go continue do the same thing and then you go end up hurting yourself over and over again. So you have to do what you do to take care of your body and yourself. Your mind.
I really jump in a relationship for true. Cause the ship just a sail fast. As one gone, one next one born. Really a ship for true. Anyways, I'm gonna take your advice, but you know it's a lot hard.
You know what as something you have to do to bring back yourself.
I didn't love him,
Me understand, but that's a business.
No, I didn't love him. I love him, but it's that it is too toxic, girl. It is too toxic. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And at the end of the day, come like say me kind of love it toxicness too.
Yeah. That's a love. So you want them when I feel rough you and beat you too? Like a punching bag. Have you? But as
No,
you say-
but then the man he figures down for him whole self, girl. If he's down with him whole self, it's true. Cause he not do what me want. You understand?
Mhm.
He not do what me want.
But as we said, just do the right thing and bring back yourself up and running.
I know myself up and running a long time. It's just that
I hate space not there.
I just have my mind on something where not healthy for me. But
I have to
anyways,
find a way
I
to
just
get
this me
that
call over for just comfort me and a little advice. And so how things, how feel?
My brother,
Brother. How feel, brother?
I eat that. I wanna go me have to put 2 slap on him.
So if it's not the big man.
Because me tell him to go finish cooking food and you know I'm go finish cooking.
No, but I tell him I lick your back.
No,
I will lick your back. Oh, you feel lick your big man.
me no business. I'm a bigger one. When me talking for listen.
You only 1 year old on him.
So
So you feel lick the big man. And then I bet say for him a lick, you know, you hear people chat about how man a lick woman and this and that. When your brother would have hear. Or they would have bunny mouth. Why you lick man for true? You tell him to go cook. So you can cook too. You know, so me have to know your style.
Come over here to you?
No.
No, but you call me feel say emergency.
Me and your friend.
Run, come over here, left me pot pan fire, ask him to cook you and him a disrespect me.
Me and your friend, me know your style.
Listen to me. Know yourself, you go come back again over here to go chat your business. And you go see me go come. Right. Next time I make my pop one up for you.
You're lucky.
Everything already, man. So they put the money in the box?
No, you may wait for the coming, my friend.
Wait a minute, tell you right now.
Because I'm going to play the box, you know.
I really thought. Well, guess what now? In my box, I just hold a vibe and just think. But yo,
Nah, man.
I want to tell you that thing, brother. I want to see if you reason that, brother. You just get so busy.
Hey, yo, that's just time, man. That's time. You watch your hand down.
Yeah, man, I mean, pipe on the brother and sit. What you talk about, man?
Oh.
You know, because you know. You know, a long time, girl. Pinky.
Why down in?
It's brown in there, man.
Ah, God, that's
Brother.
trouble, you know.
Me say,
Trouble, you know.
me have to run. What me say? Me have to
You
run
run.
left the woman because the woman come like saying understand some man need them time for hold a drink and just hold a par and play some box and win some money. Actually, we not say no.
At that time, I couldn't see you from how long.
From how long, yo, brother.
Back it down.
Brother, me feel like some man in a prison, brother. I never ever see myself back at a woman like that,
You're a
brother.
joker, man. I a joke. I'm more than 50 times here, your sister.
Actually, no, sir. Remember, say when me tell her then something there, I want because she won't catch me in certain situation. You remember? That's when go on
But what I know?
I'm begging back to the friendship.
You begging back, but you didn't tell me. You're looking at my face and I say, yo, boy, you know, saying I real life, do. Done with this, or do, car. I hold on. You said it already, you know. Ayo. Watch
Brother,
out.
and no matter
Same
say,
thing you come back
and
and
no
say.
matter say me say it already. What me I say to you is that, say,
Mhm.
situations do happen.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? And you remember for me to go shot there. I go shot when I go and bad and, you know,
Which one again?
The
The
one-
only passion me know you with it now.
the one what thief my money.
Thief in one.
The
Then
thief
that
in
you be
Shanty.
say. That you be say.
That's true.
And that you be say the thief in one.
Thief
Cause
in-
remember them by their nickname, you know.
The
The
girl
one that
then-
give little finger.
Yeah man, the girl thief, the girl thief. But brother, me, I never see myself backside place, brother. I tell you straight out straight out here. I tell you. Cause you
No,
know.
I hear still.
So
No, I hear still.
what want with you?
Why? Every day I see same thing. Me have a thief, same way to live. Joe, the man a laugh. The man a laugh. As me see someone look sellable, you have to look sellable, you know. Because I'm not thief enjoy anything. You have to look sellable. I'm glad me see you too. Because the chain look nice. But me not thief for a long time me have friend. You know, that just have to tell us a long time me
Them the
have
things in
friend.
the workout. You thief.
Push up to shovel me, you do it, do.
No, but no push down come to no shop.
Push
You
up.
understand?
So you lose.
Lose, that's it. You have to get that gamble. Life is a gamble. You know, when you lose something. Alright, I'm going to tell you that woman, I'm done, you don't want to done, finito. Infinito. No rato.
Sure, a pinky a chat about.
I mean, brother, I'm not sure, man.
Sometimes when you chat something, I have to wonder if you're sure with what you say, you know, because I know how fear more go when you drink too, you know.
What matter of that, brother? You see, right now, me I start talking about thinking me I start lose. Brother,
You
tell
have
you.
to see it for yourself.
Brother, yo, some energy just negative, brother, and just bad and just can't deal with that.
Wait, let me catch you one. Wait. Although I can't play, but the one, yeah.
Yeah. No, you can't believe it, you lose the money. Don't touch my box, eh? Don't touch my box. I come here and say, if it's money, we lose it. Box out, money goes start. But I'm away.
No, yeah, no.
Raise, don't care, raise.
Yeah, yes.
Alright, see, body is now. Hi. Pinky card.
You think about
Think
her.
you can.
You
Brother.
think about her too much.
Hey, bartender, guy.
Yeah.
Where you are going? Big up yourself, bartender. We are cut here.
Yeah, man, alright.
How you go?
Well, we have to pay a bill, yeah?
Yo!
Alright.
Yo! Oh yeah, go.
Oh,
I saw you. Yeah.
I wish dirty nasty rasta man there, so no, I'm look good, Mrs. Sayo.
I mean, which doesn't ask. What should I say? Look,
You
this people are not quiet, you know. Come round. I'm just saying, like, I know some of the, you know, surf at certain place again.
Yeah, man, you
There's
know
some
that.
residents, some of my residents. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about.
No, I don't talk about
Forgive me if I drag my words a little bit. I remember I'm coming from what I drink, you know? When you turn to me, I turn to no rum bar. I will have my version of reason. Is it illegal? Is that illegal to do that?
Illegal, but I never see you like this before.
No, it's not matter to see me like this. It's just having a drink. People talk and people have a whole vibe. When your friend them, your girlfriend them out and whole vibe, what do you do? Huh?
All our vibes then go we are doing all our vibes and then sit up on roadside and sleep.
You remember say you bust a fire the last time when you and Pinky went go down, me and you and Pinky go, eh? You remember? When you chat.
That was a minor accident.
A minor. Oh, you remember you meet one? You remember you meet one?
Sometimes
When you look up in one car because you feel like you can't drive but you're a star, you just get license. You remember that one day?
I can't tell you.
This is how you have mind amazing. But what things do?
Everything I heard, you know, say I think if you just not too long ago.
Huh? We are calling him around right now. I don't know where we are trying. Eh?
I'm not trying to know.
Eh?
Just tell us that we just go link up Pinky.
You just link up Pinky. What kind of evil she has said about me?
Yo, to be honest, you know, the girl that love us, you know.
Love me?
Yep.
And that's a love girl.
Right now, I usually talk about the world time, but she not talk about my things. She talk about
This a boy? When you think you're right, you hear yourself. You hear yourself good? You have a record you?
I can record before.
Yeah, because you know, you way I say, you sound like you have accent. Because if I see Pinky, we are talking about. The one with the straight face, straight nose. Slim. And she?
Yes, actually, me and that boy.
Okay, and
She
she?
my friend.
You don't think
I
so?
know she is my friend.
Because guess what now? You
How
see?
much other Pinky friends?
Alright, you see what go on right now. You see the lifestyle what she have and the mentality and what she reason and what she will disrespect me certain time. We can't deal with it. And hold me down. Look at guess what? You see? The bite pass more you hear me I say. Guess what now? Imagine you alright, you have your man. See? And your man can't go in Brazil. That doesn't make sense. That makes sense.
No, sometimes woman forgive man breathing.
Yes! That me I say man.
Yes.
And then go out and exactly so. Me feel tired on and even sometimes my virgin come at the yard. She cuss out the virgin and tell me go on at the yard if they have something to go. And that. So me kind of free and feel good. Me drink and me in my park. Me just park and stop and all the vibes, you know? But you look like, you look like me don't want to tell you say you look good, they go tell her, so me say, me have to tell you say you look good and something like that. Me don't know what kind of mouth you and she love and chat when you know in our own private zone.
That's how you remind yourself.
So that's what me just say what? So Jesus Christ, a woman don't hear and a woman don't talk.
But listen to me now. Me not ever know my friend them man. Man who or man X or whatever I would want.
So what you want me? That's what you say?
I don't want
So make you say like you want me. Don't do that. Come on, go back and tell Pinky say me look in.
I never say yeah look me you go say me look nice but I take it off. But listen to me now. You need to call her and check on
I
her.
feel it.
So wrong with you? You ever see me and smoke Kevin?
I want for me to be fast.
No,
No, you're not. No, guess no. Me not want drinking hot sun.
I don't tell Pinky this one now.
Huh?
No.
Why would you do that? You see me
No,
talk about?
no, that me talk about something just coming in my brain and I say me
Something coming in your brain?
Yes.
Oh, ants. Ants are fat they coming in your brain. I'm mouse. Let me tell you this, man. Let me tell you this right now. Me not say she's a bad girl. She's a very nice girl. I think about her. I think about her, man. You know, but
That's why I call her.
me,
Or put on the go look for her.
she blocked me.
And then go here, then go talk to her.
This her foot, them foot can't go over there, so man. Foot then go over there and drop him buck and broke.
Listen to me. Stop while I get idiot. Because ever since I'm thinking if you look like a ton idiot.
This a boy I
I need
think.
to go on back.
Alright, let me tell you this. I think it's time for you to leave this presence, you know. Because the words you're saying is kinda I'm not saying no. It's not saying you directly disrespect me, but you indirectly disrespect me. You understand? That is the thing. But as I say, I'm not lying between me and say, I hope you can hold them out. I think about
But me not go say nothing about this conversation that we have to Pinky.
so you tell her.
And you may tell her.
This a boy, you tell this a year, this a year.
But all I want her to do is just go link up back with her.
And do
see
what
if
with
we
her.
can mend things.
Nothing can mend this.
All you be saying that you love Pinky, you know.
But I say I love Pinky.
You love
But I
Pinky.
love her ways them, and she deal with wicked.
But you know her ways
If-
them before you go in a
If
relationship.
is that scary?
We're gonna scare her.
Is that scary on my heart?
We're gonna scare her.
I cut him and cut out him. Can you say this a heart of a female alone? I'm going to tell you, girl, this is cruelty. Hey, abuse
Put on
this.
your shirt, your belly not look good.
What belly? Yeah, that what belly? You really want to go there? Eh? You really want to go belly?
We have to say
But I say I think man keep him mouth, keep it his life. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
So-
So you bet since someone keep your life, keep your mouth.
It's good
But
to see you
anyway,
though.
nice to see you again.
Nah, shake your hand, come on. Let's sing a dance me out to you. Me not on that. Hey,
Alright then.
why you touch my chest for? You was
Oh,
not, you
I
see?
bet some of the Pinky say me see you then. Shake me eye. Shake me eye. I can go for Pinky right now. What tell you?
Is my friend? Is my boy? Eh?
Anyway, my big friend later. Big up
Me and a
yourself,
friend.
glad to see you.
Me a pinky friend. Me tell you this, you see one if you understand? You see, if me have a girlfriend and she have a friend, when the relationship done, me and them unfriend, you know. Just like how you unfriend people and block them pants, so I see him say you go.
So, a while ago, I see me and say, well, I'm my friend.
No, me say, well, one pinky friend.
You never
You
say
know,
Pinky
listen.
friend. You not.
Take time
I
go
feel
on.
like
now.
you don't get too far enough for your big brain.
Alright,
But guess
when
what?
the
Later,
rest of
me
me,
no chatting.
when the rest of me, you see me, I was asleep. Yeah,
I'm
man.
not was-
Yeah, I was asleep.
Later.
You see, that's why me, I want to, you see, yo, what the backside of this one, the man, that's disturbing spirit, I'm there, I use myself, I try whatever. Yo, Jesus! Go on with it. You ain't drop. You ain't drop that drain.
Call my friend here now. The backside. Then my phone is left over here. Let me go for here. What's the phone? Marika, brother.
Marka, you know, sa Marka in there.
Huh?
Marka in the must be asleep. She
Marika
asleep,
in the
tired.
must be asleep.
Yeah, she tired. She got a party last night, you know.
Alright, somebody come. You come check her back then. Eh?
But differently though. You know, a long time me a pray, you know. When you and my sister you drag our school together, you know. Me a pray, you know. Deep payments me a gone there, you know. You know, so me no little again, you know. Me no little again.
Stick a pin there, so who you are free? Eh?
Pinky.
Boy, you feel like me your size?
Now you Pinky man, and good, get up Pinky
That's
man.
how me ask you a question. You feel like say me your size?
Size, I thought
Eh?
about size not pants and
Me your
shoes
size,
and hat.
me all on you. I'm
Oh.
all about your sister. All of your sister.
Yes,
Me
yes,
your
gonna
size.
make- yes,
Don't
yes, gonna make
play
no
me
sense.
boy, don't pass a place with me.
It's me big, everything big, and the pants, everything long. And what you talk about, mama? What you talk about?
Hello.
I chop
All
mine
the
now.
money was shop boy and see no big and you have cheese chick. Hello, listen to me, don't play with me now.
Mama, me say me
Wait,
good at my
wait.
words. Anything me tell you, say, I'm good at that. What you talk about?
You don't talk.
Hmm?
You don't talk around here, waste my time. You waste me. Don't touch me coming back in your face. Don't play with me.
Back so.
Pervert, don't ramp with me.
Who you call pervert?
You see next time. You see next time. Ah! Let me go.
You call pervert. No, I'm not free.
Come back here, see you. Shit.
Big now. You talk about mama. I can't feel live up. I can't feel give
Can't believe I put. You see next time, you see me and ramp with me.
Time come.
Time come. Time come, mama.
When me time come, what you talk about?
Listen to me. You see next
Mama,
time, you don't play with me.
Mama, me say me
Don't
can't wait.
play with me.
Mama, me say me
Why
can't
go
wait.
your man and you see now go big in your pants? Don't face me.
Come in on time fight with you, mama. And I beg me fight. You know that?
Don't play with me.
Eh?
You look rubbish. You see. I see you bend up. You bend up like this, yeah.
Mama, me say me can't wait. Me challenge in the supermarket. Me can't wait.
So try now. You must feel on your size. Why feel on your size? Get away!
I be supermarket. They must.
Oh, dog, yo.
Ah, boy. Boy, my sister have some hot friend. Let me tell you. They hot like a jobs. I don't want your pinky. Wait till I see her again.
Must want to cross it. Right. Put a little thinking board pan. Hello. Hey! See your phone now. Where me left? Where you left? You know, say. You see me I walk, I'm a turn idiot. You need fit. Oi! Me I talk to you. Miss, me I talk to you. You a listener or not listen?
Okay.
You see your brother? You need to warn him come in on the size, you know. Imagine that little dirty boy hold me down on the side and I come blow a big kiss and I have to beat him round there, you know.
What?
Me come forgive you the phone because you left it on my yard. And your dirty thinking brother hold me down round there, so.
Wait
And
there.
I blow a big, I mean I know. And I blow down big kiss pa me jaw.
Yeah.
And my face start scratch me. Come in and if you wash him, brush him out, could I wear my do with him out. And he go.
Understand that from?
Boy,
Understand that.
boy, some in them pants bigger now. Cause you know them say me in a size. And
You deserve it. Now when me come over here this morning and tell us me give him 2 slap, what you say? Oh, me feel that little big man. So, oh, you come over here, call it my brother tree, hold on, fire. Him a big man, you should have lick him. You should have take it, you should have open up and take it.
no, you should have lit me back and you see. Me no
Yes, you-
blood him cause he no have no sense.
A big man.
You run enjoy them, I run kill his joke, I run pick the joke.
You
Oh,
know,
come here, big
you
man.
just know some of it.
Oh,
You just
that
know some of it.
rubbish.
You should have opened up on the game.
You should have open up the run, come here, you just say you know a family around. You don't talk beat him over here like you don't open up a game. And he must do as what you say.
Yeah, if it was
Look
what
up
me
here,
say,
see. Let me
family
tell you.
them not nothing to do with that.
Come here, I don't feel with it. You better mind a breed and get
Hello,
out.
my brother not trouble me. So the bright as
You know what?
Destruction. Destruction, them come right to so they don't do it. Go hungry without the double dog. Oh, let me take this.
Yes, miss. Hello? Are you there? Yes, miss. I am in my office. See everything on the computer here. I see the check. Just send 650 mil. Also with the package. Yeah, man, send it. You can send it.
Mr.
Go on.
said no money at tea. Back up. Back up your nastiness. Look Little dirty nasty boy.
Listen, stop
Where
that from my
rampant?
food.
Me no business what kind
Hey,
of food that
where you come from?
a thief
Who said you come here? Your crosses.
Are you are crosses? Are you are crosses? Because me see say you want police go hang antagonize
Where
me.
go
in
fire
episode.
come from?
Listen.
Eh?
Me see say you want police go antagonize me in episode also my mother left her give me.
Oh,
Eh?
you see a 650 million
Me
you
no
traffic
business.
bill no a bigger
I
house.
could have want infinity money. Me
Where's
no
the fool
business.
fool?
Me fool
Eh?
fool? Are you fool? Cause police all come here for your nastiness.
Police not come after me because
Where
you
you
know me
where
do
you
me
run
work.
there hold down my friend for?
Oh, me?
And I must big kiss for my friend for.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Eh?
Oh, Pinky.
Oh,
You see Pinky. No long me a pre Pinky. Pink for no say yo. If you give it up, man.
Eh?
If you know if you give it up. You know say me I say.
Warm to you. You pick me and think you're a big woman for you. Relax yourself, boy.
Oh, you mean Pitney? Oh, you mean look for a pig.
You can't go to big woman and wanna be a big
Look
woman.
for a pig.
Listen.
Listen. Look for a pig come around and cut up pants. Like a dog bite her. A dog you want to give it. I mean forget. We are talking about.
You're dog.
What dog?
As a matter of fact, let me tell you
Girl.
Let me
You
tell
see
you
I stop and stop my food
I
now.
will murder you and bury you right
Murder
here,
who?
so I'm put on your phone down there.
You know my badness. Sister, you know say I don't want to box it on.
Try. Boy, try. Try. Let me go.
Sister, but you go on now. What you do?
Don't put
What you do?
Brad,
What you
Don't
do?
put
Take
me
a dirty
down.
smash out of my face.
because when
What
people
you
come here
I'm
and
a
come
back.
disrespect some of your family
Girl,
members,
go on where
and next to me
girl,
go
I
and look
like
at
your crosses. Go on man, what come here to so down and take it one.
What do you, boy? Rap, let me just.
Let me see you. Ease yourself, man. But let me swat too. And go on where you go.
Where are they? Huh? What you do ya? Up in your mouth! What you do ya?
Can't talk to you.
Oh, talk. Let me make your mouth. Yeah, what mouth? Talk. What you say?
Public. Public. You know that already. Can't get on.
What? My was someone coming up? Come like you lick your head. Remember was someone coming up? Huh? You put a board on there? Eh?
Actually, yes. You remember some invest?
We want that about. It important?
Very important.
30 minutes me I give you. 30 minutes me I give you. And then you left me place. Must feel like now joke thing with you. Walk up! Watch out. Take off your slippers then.
So. You can talk and shout. You can talk and shout.
You mad man this sir.
But so make you
Yeah.
Alright, this is
Talk.
me kinda when I drink when I drink today, drink yesterday, drink the day before, I'm drinking the day before the day before. You look for
I know.
that me can't take it up. It's like you know understand the seriousness of certain things. This is me as a Pinky. It's when God will make Adam and Eve. God make Eve from out of Adam, and I feel say the connection what we have was kind of Adam and Eve situation. I must say you make me do enough things. Make me go to jail first. You make me rob. You make me beat up people. And that's your influence. See? What I say still is that I miss you. And I don't know if you miss me too. Little bit like so. Oh yeah,
I look for the people when they are missing list. I look for the people when they have a missing people. Them
oh, you mean?
Where you say though?
I long to see you. Then if you want me to put it in better words.
Hold on, then you have one saying, say, you don't know where you have until you lose it. Why? What the reason make me left? Eh? Talk the reason why me left.
Because of you.
Because of me.
Are you cause
so me make we left.
Yeah, because you said to me, say, certain things what you want me to do for you. And you know you want to take me off of my course. And me I said to myself, so sometimes it can't always go your way. You sometimes have to go my way even one time out of a year, you know. After my birthday, I can't get no free time. My birthday, you tell me, say, I feel birthday. And you tell me what to wear, you tell me where to go, you tell me everything. So, I never get no chance.
Why you yourself, say, right now, like a stack, like a coke, like a everything,
like a run chicken,
like everything in a one.
Never...
Look how you look, it's just like some papa from me left. Look how you look.
You never,
look how you look.
From me left.
From me left like a papa.
Don't do that, girl.
From me left. Hey!
Don't do that, girl.
Hey!
Don't do that. Girl, don't do that.
Hey!
Listen to that.
Me 160,000 entertainment. I'm
80,000 me pay night. 80,000. When me go down, I want to say a thief in money I use and pay for it. You remember? You said that me can't bother you too. I still
you don't have no sense. You don't have no sense.
Alright.
Take out the rest of things that we have in there because
listen,
let me go. Let.
Listen, what the fuck? I'm going to get going, sir. Alright, I'm going to show myself. Look at me. I'm not sure if I say is that I love you. And thinking about you, me drink and parent friend, but if
hold on, yeah man, sorry. See me look.
Nobody go
see me take up right.
Nobody go for no button.
Man, me ball out the people them tell them say I do me things over here now. Hold on. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Come on! Grasses, come on!
Alright, come. You're not saying few things. And you know, take me back just like that.
Come on.
Listen what I say now. You know, I'll take me back just like that. Get me back in the right senses and everything alright. But me I say, you feel that there's any piece of your heart can just, just listen to me I say, honestly speaking. My heart break. And when my heart break, it break because of you. And it's like, when I feel sometimes, I feel empty when you're there around Pinky. And, if you think about me and no Pinky, there's no me. You understand? What me I say is that everything was beautiful until you feel that I love you like I'm supposed to love you. But as I say, you can't bad me up until me say, don't go here, so don't do this. And if I go there, say, you feel say I love you. I don't cheat by you. I say never cheat by you.
Huh?
I don't cheat. So what go on?
Huh?
I don't beat you, you beat me.
Huh?
You remember this?
You don't talk now?
I don't know.
We consider it.
I love that.
Wow, no, me consider it.
But
Show.
But I love that.
Yeah, thank you very much. Show.
I appreciate it. I could answer no. When if couldn't come.
Let change my mind.
Alright, so
Show, you saw now? I'm change my mind and make it sober.
Alright, just give me one. Me can just more sleep I don't know if I can sleep properly. Just one little, one little, just one. Just one little piece. Little, you know, yeah. Just one touch it back to get little energy. Please, man. Don't bite me. No bother bite me. Jesus Christ, you bite me. Ah! Alright. You don't bite me, cool.
You need to go bed too.
I'm gonna be right now. Just like, I told you all the same thing. But black must sleep. Bed. You tell your babe.
Don't come in our bed. You not reach that so yet. So maybe problem. I'm actually giving this.
Marika.
Oi! Hold that.
I'm the man.
Me who?
You the same one.
Yeah, well, you come to me out for. You know, just run me out. You know, just run me off the road and cause me say me ain't a friend. Eh? So you want? What is the problem?
You just want to tell you thanks.
For what?
You know where I come from?
I don't know where you come from. I don't profit. Me can. Where you come from?
From a pinky yard.
That's wonderful. So how was it?
It was kind of bittersweet, you know, hot and cold at the same time.
You know, so that is pinkish. You know, look at harsh. You know, but she go come around.
She couldn't tell me, say, she not think about certain things, but she tell me, say, she a think about it, and she said, maybe. And now when she said, maybe, you know, I go, respect, man.
Not good, man.
Thanks, man.
You know, say I'm a friend and me do anything for you because I don't there share talk about you and I see you, so I'm going to tell her. So you do the right thing for good on there and you know, make up back with her. I love that, man.
A nice girl, man, and it's like, you know, even though me and my aisle, I don't know why I'm drinking a sauna. My mother always tell me, so don't drink in a sauna. Because the rum, you know, you think you used to in a cool shade, you know, it's different. So that's that. Well, just come for tell you thanks and we appreciate it. But what is it that you upset? What am I doing?
No, me and my brother fight.
Fight? Woman fight man? Man fight woman? Huh?
Brother and sister, you know, brother and sister, your siblings, they don't fight.
Well, you know my story. I don't know if me and my brother, but don't even know if me and my mother or father. Because, you know, when me went up when know myself, you know, I fight for food. You know, I said to myself, so no, I'm not do that. And so I start my little business, I sell my little mango and say, man. But the mango season done now still, so, you know, I got mango season done here for us wait till plum season. And plum season soon start up. Guinea pig go on, but too much people are selling Guinea pig.
Go look walk. I'm not too big and lazy for man.
I mean, so what? You think it's easy to climb Guinea tree? When you climb Guinea tree and think,
I want to work them here, go find security work, gas station work, Chinese man, hotel. What if I walk out there, you can't find?
Alright, you see, me try security work.
What you want to do hustling?
Yeah, because I tried
hustling is once a while. Go on, talk.
I tell you, so me try security work, right? And then me sleep too much for the job because the place, I know, you know, them busy hotel and a busy hotel where people go in and out. So, you know, what happened that's when me up on the job and thing and me set myself, me not sleep, me fall asleep. Then when me do wake up, I boss that I pass. So, you know, I'm going to tell him, say, a mistake, he see me, camera see everything, so I have to just cut. You know, next work now, them, you know, me don't know, I see him think, I sleep too much. So me do hustling at work for me. You know.
Well, do I work for you? Do I
yes,
best
if
for
it
you?
go on.
How much is it take care of my friend?
Me I go take care of a good man, but you, me I tell you, say, you know, I still can't buy a little fruit strong. You know, because, you know, because we back as friend, you know, so. As me when I tell you, say, fear a friend or my friend. No, me and she back together, you know, so we are friends, you know what I mean?
I don't know. You're hypocrite.
I'm not hypocrite. It's just the right facts. Cause how you go look say, me not know if you're Adams and me know you choose she and then me I take you as close. No, sir.
Me never did that take you as close when me see you on the road. Me see you on the road and me I talk to you. So me need to take you as no friend.
Well, me say I can't wait to go and go take a rum center.
Yeah, kind of stink.
No, listen. You know, you might say that, but you know, I was working and when you miss me climb a tree, man. Sometimes you climb a tree, you sit in the rubber when you're close. So I just that, and then my virgin, I just want to drink, and that's it. I say me never drink in a sonat before, and you know, I mean, when you feel like say me is that kind of person, when I drink every day, I say fuck, I'm listening for the road. Huh? You don't matter, I'm not trying to fool nobody. Me I say, thank you, really appreciate it, and think. I'll buy you a drink on them day. What you drink? You still drink Malta? Why you say cigar kind of vibes like them?
Because you know, vibes got and I'm a fan. So I have to drink.
Vibes like that? Are you a fan of vibes like which one?
I'm a fan of vibes got.
Me I drink and you drink. Alright. I say, me stink and you dirty, so we have something in common. Look on you.
Left me yard. Lift up one at a time. Oh, I think it's time for you to leave my sight. So leave my sight.
You see that me can't take in disrespect. I'm not really working, man. I come here peaceful gesture. I come here for.
But you
understand?
me.
I'm back at me. I catch it a bit longer.
Nobody catch us, catch something else. Can you catch a thing? You don't come on my yard.
This is the first conversation we have today, man. But big up yourself still. I say thank you very much. I respect that, man.
Nobody Japan.
No, Japan. We respect. So your brother? I can see your brother.
My brother not there.
Eh?
Not there.
You just say you want to fight.
Listen, me and him did a fight. So you have somebody to fight. They want to do that. You have somebody to fight.
Just how you're going to fight?
Just a while ago. If you come about
Get
10
video. And that video now put it on TikTok
Left
and
me
post it. Respect though, we're grateful, yeah?
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Margaret come on, right?
Long as I stink though.
Like a you.
Long as I stink, yeah.
Like a you. I am more chance my kind of near your nose.
No way I come and talk about and look at brother, you know. No way I come touch and talk about and look at brother. You hear me I tell you, because you know what you do, you know.
Alright, listen.
You're a big man now, you know. Me no want to hear no sorry.
Me know so you're a big man now.
Me no want to hear what you say. Me no want to hear that can't help my situation right now because I lose other money other day, you know. I lose it. Because I hear your voice in the background and I say, how would that? You look, I'm big now, you know. I'm big and I hustle for myself. No, give me nothing. So when you see me hustle, you must love me and love me hustle.
But me feel offended when you say my friend come over here. I grab up my friend breads. That's not a good style.
You
supposed to go
listen what me I say now. Listen, she want it. She want it because if she didn't want it, she would go to the police and report it. You know she had a dream about the look up there. You know she want to up again. What you talking about? Come on now, get a hold of yourself.
Don't want you.
Eh?
A big woman here, she don't want you.
What you mean? You don't want me?
Because me and her friend, she not go to station. You need to get yourself for up and running, bro. That's a good style.
Sister, I don't want you.
Police running.
Listen what me I say. Me is not me and you. I don't know brother, no sister, neither. I know.
So
Me and you, I don't know brother, no sister. Cause you mash up my deal.
Brother, I'm sorry.
No way you touch me tonight. Don't touch me.
You can't do your sister, so.
No, me and you no blood. Me and you no blood that me cut off all ties against you right now.
Cut off all ties against your sister.
Why not?
Remember say me go I mean look how
that not say about people that cut off people lesser than that are close people that cut off people for. What you tell me say?
You can't cut me off.
Eh?
Me say me sorry.
I want 5,000.
Alright, listen. Me go up on the road.
Yes, you see it? You see it now?
Listen,
you have to go up on the road to jam money.
money.
Allah you tell. You tell lie. You don't have a bank account and you don't have no car for jam money and no machine. So where you get card
Friends
from?
don't know nothing about me.
Eh?
Me just keep everything.
I'm here you living there, so. So where you get card from?
Me have me card, me have everything. You don't worry about me. What you think me is I get money to spend? Eh? Listen to me. Me walk up on the road, and when me come back, me give you the money.
This is
So
what me
you
I say.
forgive
Me
me?
is forgive what? Me still
So
not
me
forgive you.
pay $5,000 forgive.
No, cause that can still stop my money, but the money I come
But
from
you never
Jamaica.
want
You go on where you go. I say go on and stop and
to
come
laugh
with
you.
me, you
You
know.
know, good and so
Go
that-
on where you go. Somebody else, so you know, I want a piece, I put me to a girl, you know, understand,
Alright,
you know.
I'm
You
just
touch me, go on,
say
man.
sorry to you. Apologize.
You just go on where you go.
No, no, tell us sister say you take her apology.
I understand, you know.
No, tell us sister say you
Let's see
take
if
her
you come on, let's see if you come on, you come up and come go on, so we like say. A man touch off, eh? A man touch off, You never hear say small like drop big tree, we think about run, boof, back, boof. You never hear about that? Man, go on. You can't tell me that, man.
Alright, then, me I go find the road.
Go on where you go.
Yourself,
Go on, man, me don't want you nothing,
I
man.
go get bigger client.
Stop touch me. And go on where you
Go
go.
get bigger
Sis,
client.
just go on.
Brother,
Go on.
say your sister love you,
Just
and
go
you
on. Come in, me look stick, so I want to come mash me look like. Girl, just go on there, man, you mash up the mix, you know. Just go
Alright,
on.
then, later.
Cross, you don't want to think of me when I say that from. No. Benz and be my man dog go wine on the girl, just mash up my mess, brother, my client. Betsy. Betsy, my client name, you know, Betsy. Jesus Christ. Hello, Miss Betsy.
Rough.
So I go on. A long time I don't see my youth.
Brother, it's a friend of day them drinking and son.
Yeah.
Mash me up, you know. Brother, I tell you, say, it don't feel like, say, I don't know myself.
Nobody me and get locked up or something to my youth.
Yeah.
Pay the phone 2 weeks. Watch out. Yeah, my youth. But still they hear when I go on the road with you still. I mean, I hear your name call up with fear girl yet that are pinky. Yeah. So you know what thing said. Boy.
Yeah, man. Why rough?
Yeah, man. Me like when me a hear.
So where are you?
Be a things, man. Be a thing. We so fight now. I look shorty one at a time them.
Yeah. Sure, say me. But you know, but I know my style, girl.
I know how to drive for myself.
No,
I
must
ask
go.
me sure if I hear it.
Just go on easy, man. Just go on. You know the thing going on.
Jam cool, my friend.
Yeah,
Jam
yeah.
cool. Because right
Jam
now,
cool, man.
there, I
Take it
just go and look out and hear them. Because I realize, say, all the girl them, you know, the girl them are coming in and now. Because for them time of night.
Yeah, man.
Early settings to them.
Yeah, man. Right now, I just say I want to link up my video right now because, you know, we don't, you know, take myself off the street certain way and kind of not really,
fully
you
come
know,
off right now.
yeah, me kind of sickle up certain way, you know, one thing. Shouldn't.
Oh, tell me not that day. I wish
So
where you job from.
So you need to tell me, say, yeah, stop the long time
No,
there.
man, yo, it's no, man,
I
yeah,
wish where this a job from.
what's the way?
Yo, yo.
Yeah, come, Rami. Yo.
No. Really come back here, so now my man a day like today.
Me a second, just 1 second,
Man a
baby.
day like
No,
today.
I can't when I do some business, then I come there.
You tell her this,
Me I go reason with the afternoon. Me I go show you a reason why.
You talk to your red and say, you know, say, oh, we don't run joke.
Yeah, but this
You're
is
thief. I mean, go.
No, you must say, man.
Me go run.
No, no.
Friend.
Yeah, me
I make me do it for a long time.
Me know. But yo, you must know this. Understand, sir? Me go talk, see?
I wish you could help.
Just, no,
Just
don't-
a meds it.
Just hold it down. No, man,
You want me to drink?
no way you're drinking, man. I'm not get a drink.
You want me to drink?
Where
You
you
want me
drink?
to...
Where you drink? See?
But I know
How we
me
talk?
even want to see what go on
Yeah,
right
man.
there, so. Look
Alright,
how more
alright.
here wheeling.
Yeah.
You know, sit back there, you know, boy, you're a liar. Not beg. I'm not begging again. Big bitch.
You know, so we don't plan peace for a long time. But, and that me really want. Me want me to link up back and, but it not work out.
That's what I want to know.
Alright, man, you good. Otherwise,
Yeah.
you know, that turn you off, you know, and make things set away, like, you know what I mean? I don't do nothing fun. It's ice cream. It's ice cream. You know, something I'm free to spend on. I'm not free to put money in your pocket. Because it's a conversation more happening. I'm going to say a 2 week now, you know, we kind of level off. So more want to make sure, so when, you know, this is a second chance they give me. It's not a second chance for them mash up. Because I do what I need to do, you know, you smell a rum for me.
Yeah, it smells sweet.
You smell, you see, understand me? I
Yeah,
say
it
everything's
smells
good.
sweet, but second chance. You don't even get the chance to come and talk about second chance. I said I will consider it. That means I will consider for me and have a properly conversation. But he tell us them, okay, second chance, alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
See, I realize even with me now, you know. You see, before in a relationship, I always have tit-to-tat to talk back at you and something. I realize, I need to allow you to talk and get things off your chest. I'm a different person, you know.
Exactly.
So we just want to make things work and work to the best of your ability. And one day I'm married to you. I want to see her come down the aisle to me. You look a sexy white dress. You know what I mean? And the bother, me know your style. The bother feel sick. You can't come in a short skirt. Because my people, I'm really, you know what I'm saying? You know your style, you know. Don't bother doing that. Alright, listen to me. Whatever you think about, just keep it and lock it. What we're going to do now is look at the ice cream. Ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Fudge? Just like old times. You love your missing? I think you know I'm missing.
I love it too.
I'm in a drunk, you come in a bar, drink, and you sit there. And my friend know him feel say, I can't do it without you. I can't do it without you. Don't put him on practice, you know. You know what I mean? Put him on practice, man. I'm a friend. Just like how your friend Marika, your friend. Yeah. Right? I love you, baby. Love you too.
Yeah, I love it too.
So, you feel so I can't sleep on you tonight.
Yeah.
You serious? Okay. Look at my ice cream.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Well,
Night's young, it has just begun. She puts her hand
I'm glad this young dog feels still not a fool. I'm sitting up here. Sorry.
How?
So, Pinky, everything alright?
Yeah, man, you see my talking? I mean, you see my talking.
That's everything me and him and a normal dealer. That's one look thing.
You see my talking, no?
Oh, to my arms. Where's the go? I shouldn't have said this, sir. Just to call you. And think. Because, you know.
Me see him drunk on the road asleep. I'm tell him, say, me just said that talk to you and Me tell him to
But-
call you, but he say you block him, so me tell him say if he come down in your yard, go look for you and mend back things because it wasn't up each other and so forth.
Me tell you,
Okay.
me and she, not in a nothing.
So why Pinky
You understand me? I
me
say,
in or something?
me and she, you know your friend? Hmm?
So you have your number?
But no, I don't have your man number. We're not supposed to have your man number. You see if on the road and I talk to you.
Okay. Me not say
no,
nothing.
I don't understand. So what kind of friend you think? Maybe you think me that snatch your man away?
Me not say nothing. Me can't tell you yes, me can't tell you, but through me here I say like you talk to him and I me not fi worry me say. Me supposed to worry me say about my
You
man.
know what? You know, have a nice.
Yeah, you too. Hold on, oh, the girl have one look.
So she
Relax.
Relax. Beer. No, beer, relax.
Me want come down because I know say yo, you only go say when me only want a certain thing, me fall down here in my time. You know what it looks so, you know, but in real life, something come to after for you know.
But a normal period still, I know that we are one family, one blood, and we have to take care of each other.
Yeah, I know they way there, but you know, sometimes I pray one wait to enough, you know, say yo. Only when I want certain things I see her. But at the time, I see her road. Because I don't see her road none tall. When I live on the road, I don't see him.
Well, the thing is, remember saying, you have few little things to deal with, and me have places to go and support. So, when I want something from me, you can call it me. That's a normal period because we're busy every day. And that's time with work and so forth.
I'm hard right now, how far I walk come from.
How far?
We out in our town, be things right now. All police and I time see police them and watch me like them and pray me to take but
normal period.
yeah. You know, so what go on differently?
So there you know. You know say a long time want access. You remember Pinky?
The mad girl, huh?
Ah, Jesus.
Yo, you know say a Pinky make my friend stay so. Cause my friend name stay so, you know?
That a Rasta when they
Public. My friend never stay so man move one way from what they like. The man move like he head no dep on he. Boy, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say.
If you tell the truth, you know what say. Me help public to get back together, you know. But then once a girl accuse me say me a public day.
Mm.
But when me get to understand in a relationship, me think I did the man a problem, you know.
No.
But she a problem.
And she had problem because I'm sure you pray. Watch out now. You don't know what say. What do you see to all them ass in there? As the girl see me start show word, me don't know way much show word to me final.
I'm troublemaker. I'm a friend, you know, but a troublemaker. Me don't understand what you feel like. Like, me go to him and I say, yo, you know, say my friend a talk about you and sitting you know, really, he come and me hard and I cuss the man, you know. But I tell me, if you go back to your woman and something. But in the I know, put my mouth, you know, I help me and your parent, you know. But it turn on that and me get the shitty and I stick.
Yes, man. I didn't sit there for reach. Because watch out now. You have to mind your own business. Remember, say you have your business to take care of and you put flame business for your head, you know, you only get either you go make your head hot, yo, or you have stress over people business. Me always talk to you about you, know, here when me chat, me the mad one, me mad, so
no,
you don't
the
believe
thing
when me
is,
chat.
we are friends, so I didn't expect that friend are. You cannot trust a friend. Well, me understand that the whole situation, you know. I know every friend of you trust because some friends
delusional. Thinks that everybody wants you, man.
But I don't want her, man.
I don't know. Me and public come from far. I don't know. And the girl coming in the picture, he come like so I can't see my friend again. My friend, like under rules and regulations. My friend now in top, come up, in top. Boy, I don't even know what to say you would. One time every day we do a bar. Right now, I top see my friend. One time I could have call him and say, bro, where you there? I say, you're in the on the road, come on link him. We can't call him again, because what?
That's how you gonna buy them?
Right now, a ball, me catch him on a ball, what day?
Him a what?
Come like, you know, me never make it easy to me. Me don't make it easy to me, I see you. Don't make it easy to me, see you. But, so you go. I way him want in a life still, you know. I'm a friend, me can't tell him what to do or who to choose, you know. Only thing I can tell him is if you put him up in your eye, them no problem, me back
that's
foot.
the problem, it don't make no sense to tell you that problem. That's the problem.
And then problem, them like the problem. So watch out, if you don't like the problem, you have to go. Yeah, just like come here tell you, if you love what for them problems, make him collect all our problems, them like tooth fairy. And him
You remember grandma used to tell me, see I'm blind here and there?
See I'm blind here and
See
there.
I'm blind here and there because you can't trust no friend. Because me help out you and you turn around and come blame me, say me and your man in a business. What would I do in there, man?
I that them on heads.
And that the girl that said me, and run me down, you know. Come be there, me sit down on a beach park where you know. A girl run me down, you know. Say me attack him, man, you know. Me have to run and show my friend me not attack him. Because friend not attack friend, real friend not attack
So
friend.
me also you not see back from any time then.
I don't see her back from that time there, bro. I don't see her back, man. I don't see her neither because I know friendship.
My friend, I'll be laugh off of my friend. For my friend come up and eat that. You laugh off of him. Everywhere me see him and the girl and go and like say, alright, I'm sure him I do know. Yes, when he say he see me before me see him. It's like he make the girl go do something. So that me not see she.
Yeah.
But me don't read the play because me see her whole heap of time and me act like me not see what go on and then when he wait till the girl gone, he show up me. So as me cut, my girl that you see her taking time and come back and him babes, like, he must know still. He must know still.
Couple screw well.
But still, because me not hold up a time still, me not like.
Yes, you want the money.
Yes.
Alright, yes, sir. Send me back your account number, because I don't have no cash power.
Right
And
now,
that's
tell
how you
the
have to
truth,
go.
because our day me can't get mash up.
So you get the money. I'm sorry for you. And why you have to wire it too?
I will reach now, because I can't touch
So I
you.
want to go to the road for deal with some business.
Alright, me can check your little more then.
Alright, come back, look on
Alright.
me.
Alright, cool.
Marika, I don't understand why you call up my name, you know. I don't understand. But let me just get this clear. Is the idea of friendship or you want to be enemy? Which one do you want? Because Because honestly, me no want this, Because there's no way me and you can grow up in a one house and so we are friends and we share the same phone. Until me go on my own and you depend on your own. And you want to come call up my name, girl. Me just want you to choose the right part, Because member never me choose this. Everything good, man. Me just a call me know something depend on foolishness. And that. Where me have to go in? Because I know. Yeah, me and them just a walk from left, right, center. I don't see me a walk. You look like me and Mike, because you are going now. Me stress out. Me really stress out. From this man a come girl, come back in my life, and me give him a second chance to come like say. Nothing I want, all me want this way. You understand? So it can get to my brain, it has stress me out.
Why you make this relationship as stress you? Alright. You know why the man come back? He come back for you or he come back for mash you up again. He come back because he love you and care for you, and he come back because he just want you look your friend. You have to know when he come back for, because some of them man they have reason why they come back. You understand what I say? So if you find out all these things, what me can say is search the phone.
Actually,
Search the phone.
Actually, yeah.
Oh.
Actually, you have a file there, sir.
Because in the phone not tell you lie and not now hide in the phone. So guess what you have to do? It's when you go and bed, you search it. Or when you say, baby, so come back, you can hide the phone, you keep the phone and go panic. But I'm not supposed to tell them that you're smart or you're street smart.
Yeah, I'm street smart girl, but sometimes when I lost in love, you not see so clearly, you understand? You're blind to everything. Girl, when you're there in love, when you love somebody, more you love yourself, Now I tell you something else. When you love somebody more, you love yourself. You're blind to this world. You're blind to everything they do. You understand?
I understand.
Every situation you're blind to. So if me catch you now and you sit down in your shit over there, so and you tell me say you never see me, I go say I never see you. Because I'm blind.
This man is talking because you can
You talk to Bulby. For some reason, me no feel say you and Bulby are blood.
Hey, brother.
Me no feel so no feel so no blood.
Well,
Because you different from that. Me hear the boy chat get bad things about me, Me hear when chat hear bad things about me, not say nothing at all,
Sometimes
Cause me no like him and him no like me.
me understand that, but sometimes when they chat about you, when they hear about you too, Cause sometimes man then chat to woman them, with their friend them,
Yeah,
so if friend them
yeah,
turn
yeah,
on
yeah.
a bad things for certain time, man then chat to
Because
woman,
and he want them to turn on a CC. He want them to turn on and chat him out, then can't get no woman. Yes, cause they mind people business. So they can't get no woman, and me don't like that little jankro. Me don't like him. And nobody can be like him, me don't like him.
But everybody, yeah,
Right.
me and my cousin, But yeah, we are for different because we are cousin. But the thing is, we are one blood. You understand? Everybody, you ever hear them say 7 brothers, 7 different minds?
Go check your blood code.
Okay, me don't have to check my blood clump because everybody mind
Yeah,
different.
like that food. Go check your blood type to see how.
I think about blood
If
count.
you are
Me
O
and
or
you
what?
better follow you and contact about blood.
If
blood
you are
quality.
O or what, because honestly, yeah, and that is nothing. But anyways, you just make you know how me just a walk from left right center. They have to come down and come check you. That a problem.
Pinky,
Like this a man I want mad me brother.
no make him man mad you. Find out why he come back in your life. Even though in a relationship so more right now, find out the reason why he come back. Because this is a second chance again, you know. Even though I'm doing things with them, you know. Second chance in the pan. So you see this is a second chance, yeah. Make sure you say you and him use it wisely.
Me and him use it wisely.
Yeah.
And him use it wisely. Oh,
You if you know what you want to. You
Him fi use
accept
it
back him man
wisely.
in your life, him man come to you, you accept him back in your life. You must know why you give him a second chance.
me know what me I go do, you know. Me know what me I go do because something alright. I'm go find out how I go on. So anyway, I come go back out here.
Yeah man, later big up yourself. You know, some clothes me up, you know, you finish up them and boy rough. Take time walk me girl. Hi. I'm not sure now, but we can find out from somebody if they can do it out. Yeah, man. So, when I oh, you don't want to do from today? For tomorrow? Me understand. Alright, so alright, give some more. No man, me say me go get to somebody and then get back to you about it. No make a call. Listen to me man, me not run no joke, me serious. But you pay me. You know what I mean, friend? I'm looking to it now. You make a call and call. Alright. Oh, first thing. Brad, ready? Come over here ASAP. You have to up your deal with that money business. Yeah, man, run come. You still not coming in? Come, man, forward. And money, you know. Alright, call me the reach. Alright. I love money. Oi.
Yes, I'm tired of for me. You know, baby, you know, fridge.
Some money not run so far, right?
Eh?
If you go and better your man.
Like, why can't I love money?
You may love money, but
Where I say now?
you have to work before you get the money.
What?
You have to work before you get
I know what kind of work. I'm not here so good enough.
Alright, so the thing is, when I'm a friend, them I keep one party tomorrow night and they want somebody to cut up some chicken and some pork. So, tell them some of them make you come cut up the chicken and the pork.
Oh,
You.
me? Me?
Yeah, I
Me?
get money and you split it for me. Alright?
That's a question. Like a man them where I work. Don't I mean shop done this eh? Like a slaughter to you.
But you not
Eh?
no money.
Oh, girl, I'm bang line where you contract. Brother, what want you?
When last time you come
You
to
break and face now out of father,
No,
man.
you feel glad
You know, so I'm confident they're already.
You feel glad to have a sister where you look out for you.
Brother, I don't want that, I want that, brother. I don't want that, that can't help me. I do 95, brother, that can't help me. I bang line of sweet steaks and scamming me, say I want to you.
So
Eh?
you want to call them up with food?
Oh, when last we come up here, sir? When last?
Oh, where you eat dinner last
When
night?
last?
Where you eat dinner last
Me?
night? Yeah, where you eat dinner last night?
Brother, I run girlfriend, I run a rose rose me go. I run a nose rose me go. Me say, I run a nose rose me go. You know I'm come in the yard.
Listen, me tell the people them say you come go and do it. So you don't have no choice.
You
have to
listen.
go and eat and collect
You
money.
see last time I get from my phone, I bang line and I almost bang line. Just stop my phone, my girl. You remember? You remember that?
I don't care where I was.
You don't care? Remember when you look out for me? A friend you beg now.
Friend, you have
You know long you don't call my phone.
Remember say
You know long.
Remember say you don't have no money. And I
Brother.
buy mackerel and yam round there. So this is what I put up and I can go buy some
Jesus
chicken
Christ.
back.
And don't make mackerel and rice. We are eating there. Bull and pear and drink water.
Me no
Oh,
dem
oh.
bull and-
Your girl are going like a hot.
Me hot. Me not go like
You know hot. I be a calm in town, calm in like they can chat to me. Eh? You couldn't man we have enough to feed you. Huh? Look, eh? How look at your mother? Eh?
No worry about me, man.
You come like a dog when dog hungry and back and touch
And
belly.
you look and you come like hang pan here.
You know me, you know, you say me no argument. So you have to stop touch me.
Go on.
Can you come in your place now you shoot me? We are shooting
Me
for.
as a bigger sister, look out for
Sister,
you.
I don't need that work.
Me no, alright, it's alright.
You can't force me to take what I don't want to take. Me know that.
Me get somebody else do your job.
So they can go to break instead of.
No, me can't do it, you idiot.
Eh? So you want to do. So you can go do it and take you look for 15,000 and go do it here.
Me not ready for do me here yet. Me a rock,
You a rock what? You a rock star?
Yeah. What about me?
Sister, you know what's the rest of me? I'm going to water in there.
Hmm?
No water in there.
Eh?
No water in there.
Left me hard.
Hmm?
Me just did that make you get money we could have buy more than water. You know what?
Sister, listen,
No,
sister,
you beg me water.
Sister, look for me,
Listen,
sister, look for me, look for me. Me have nice, cute brown boy, man.
Look
Me
at
chop
me
the
back
chicken.
time me go a places go see look.
Sister, me no know that, sister. Me can't jack my standard for that.
I cut up meat a place or something.
Sister, look for me, look how full of tattoo. This one me I say no, look how full of tattoo. Ain't got people in place say my chop chicken, they say me want to eat chicken. Ain't me a scammer, so me look. Me just like a scammer, move like a scammer, everything me do like a scammer.
Stuff like that.
We can't go in place to go work. Let's say me work at hotel, you know how much call me get her for
Alright,
work.
go and go bang your line. Go and go bang your line, cause me know see your phone on credit, you know. And that the money they could have buy.
Yeah. Go on, let's go on, drinks then. Alright, thanks, yeah? Alright. Oh, no.
I don't understand you.
Me understand, no, me understand what I'm going.
I understand you. You understand, you don't understand. Where you going now? More of you know what kind of business in America still.
Baby, still come up on that.
Don't not call me no babe. Crosses not call me no babe. Me not understand what go on between the two of you know. Something they go on, I mean not trust it. And the argument.
Hello, nothing is going on. Me not understand why you're stuck on this thing.
Hello.
Only thing you have to understand.
I think you. Oi, I make a more load down for me.
You come and shop at talk about business out the road. So the most out the road they want business to talk. Eh? Me not look.
Me give you back one second chance, right? Me give it back for a reason.
So what
Me
reason?
never give you back one second chance for you come use me.
Me
You
not use
understand?
you.
Eh? Me never give you back one second chance for come use me. Me don't understand why you want that the girl is so close.
I'm not close, me and she not close to that time. I just lucky to see her all the time. Come in and come from run by us and jump and sung by the street.
Lucky,
I'm just be scared when I look.
Lucky, me just a come from down there now.
What make you go man on there?
Me just a come
For
from
what?
down there.
For what?
It's my business that is not your business. You understand? But me still not trust it. Me still not trust it. And you can't make me trust it.
There's no way you can feel upset
Oh,
about
and
something.
I'm gonna make you know.
Sir! Can someone in biscuit, please? Oh, this kid, when you? No, man. Two of them. Huh. Rasta man, what one?
I'm there.
I go get me mommy.
I'm
I'm America, brother. Everything now, man.
What make you have it?
You must have America, brother.
Yeah, man. So what? Yeah, man. Me know that, man.
Yeah, man, you see America and that or something.
Eh?
But different though. This catch up me, yo. Me can't be going to show my father.
Yeah, man. How much you want?
Yeah, man, a biscuit and drink come by, but kind of short, you know what I mean? Because the kind of it's cheap and free, so that only cheap and free. So I'm going in a relationship.
Yo, just buy drinks and go on. Buy drinks and go. Big up yourself. Just see them people big up me. Yeah, man.
I like how now move, you know. I go so married. Now hug up tight, now arms around the door.
Oh.
You know my cheap one. Jesus Christ, cheap and cool, man. So where you going? So like, what? Give me 1,000 more. Give me 1,000.
Yo, take the drinks and go on, man. Yo, on your business after a while ago.
No, sir, you see, I don't know if big pocket, you know. I'm going to jail, come and spend money I can't spend.
Buy one bigger one.
So, yo. In-law, manja mo.
Boy.
No,
What's up, please?
come on.
Yo, take time, go on, man. Yeah, yo, big up yourself. Listen, man.
Alright, America husband.
You know, say, man, you can't fool that.
Don't touch me.
Babe, me
Come
can't.
on, they don't say one look good there, me need that. So you support what we call a pervert now.
When you support, we are talking about me mix up and I'm confused. We are talking about baby girl. It's just this boy just fool and talk things.
Pervert hold me down other day.
So,
I'm here to give him one now look like. A pervert, so you don't say one idiot.
what do you want me to do? Come and
I
understand
only
what I
government
want.
shame.
What do you mean say only government shame?
I only government shame.
Babe, you give me a second
All you
chance.
girls that's your man dash way key.
Babe,
So you tell me say, yeah, so your sister, you're nigga in a business with you.
Me and she carrying
You
and no
see
business.
it?
Me and
So
she
you're supported your brother-in-law.
which brother-in-law? I just
Your
send
brother-in-law
her
support.
rubbish.
Eh?
So when you never tell me saying hold it down?
Eh?
How you never tell me saying hold it down? What can I hold on business?
That's a worry about.
So make me
Go
one
worry
tell her.
about, go worry about. You talk where you America talk around corner.
America,
That is said.
talk to me and I tell me about you. It's nothing about me and she. She just try to put the certain things together because she has to make a fit baby girl.
No matter what they say, words can bring me down.
You just say down this thing, you know? Just stop no
No
man.
matter what they say, I won't believe a thing. Look at them rubbish up. I want them to see because I'll lick you with it.
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give you some time to yourself because you really need some time to think about everything.
And if you can't give me some time because from the moment you see me start think about you and the time they appear. Yes. As me start think about you.
So that's what me say.
And then the time they appear.
So
I
that.
know me give you 1 second chance, you feel like you want to style me. You know, so I juke me for juke in your
Let
eye.
me look at me. I don't
Go
understand.
where you go look parasite to be like you.
There's something wrong with that boy, you know? Something wrong with that boy.
Your
I tell you.
brother-in-law.
Which brother-in-law?
Go run him down.
Me already know for. I kick him in the back.
You think you put a say shut your mouth.
No, me don't like him back. Come on,
Bye dear, pitch by night. Let me go.
So where you come and shop for? Cause you come back, come buy one drink. Where you come back from? Come on.
Come buy my drink. Buy me drink no more water. I'm thirsty. More cool and make me.
You want some water in the fridge?
Hello, me thirsty now. Now me thirsty. Me want the water. And if me can't get the water, just consider it say done.
Because of water?
Yes, because me I waste me energy out now.
Me give him monkey in the last $100.
Me give him. I saw me just say a sponsor pervert. Yes. Me not talk to the same government.
Oh yeah, yeah, but what you do with this? What you do with me feel? Me not, you know, Pinky.
Yo!
Hello, who you call to? Who you call? A man you call? I'm a stand beside you.
Like done bang but never done so.
Hey. all my dads.
You don't know how you still know.
You see, the man, I explain to you what going on, the brother. I'm going to talk to you personally to tell you what going on, bro. What kind of style you talk about?
You know, say.
You know say what?
The
Brother,
girl,
easy,
the
man.
girl the head no stay one place on her body.
That's what woman say, brother, for
Oh.
some of the case. You can't look on it that way. The woman have them ups and them downs and them middle ground. No, she there at her ups.
To what
And
you talk right now, me lose off of you. You just sound like, you know, grew up yet, my G.
and no matter I grew up at
No,
the
my
G.
youth, you move like a boy now, man.
I don't know if I explain this to you, brother.
You
But
know, move right.
alright, you see, because I invest so much things in she, it's like to me, if you get back to her, it wasn't a big deal. You understand me? I say, so when me and she are rolling out a certain way, me never really want to tell you straight up and tell you the right way, because I'm doing a vent. Sometimes people vent in a brother, and you just want to talk about certain things out of your head, not in your heart, because me love her brother, and you know, there's something about her what I love, and it's not say, me no know say she have her time and she go down, you know. You understand me? I say?
And you say, werewolf come out for a full moon, but that the girl don't know a full moon for mad right round. I hit me and try to show you, say, yo, you know, come like I am, like, either, you're a doctor or something, or you try to help her madness.
No.
But, boy, I don't know how, boy. How you do it?
Brothers, understand what going on, man? Alright, me I give her, she give me a second chance, and me I take it. That's all. If you don't work, you don't work. And basically right now, I don't know what I'm going because when she see me at your up, so which gave her a reason she passed through, I don't know, it's like memories come up and bad, you know, bad light and them something there, brother. So it's not like some plan feed, but brother, you know, like she when see you now and feel like say boy, you know, I see him or me. You understand me? I say, me do stuff, you know. Women do stuff.
You feel like you're going back in our thief in world.
That's easy, man. Understand, man. Alright.
So, me know me a thief, you know. I'm not afraid to say it.
No matter that, brother, because I don't know, so
So-
we do what we have to do. I hustle. Hustle, you call it. You answer me, I say? But what me check you for now is just for you understand, say,
Have
just...
lighter?
No, brother, you know, some no smoke, brother. One thing, man, yeah, we can ask me, boss. Check your pocket good, man. You know, lighter always have one missing, you know, quick fillers and say. But, brother, I say, just when you just give me just understand where me I come from. And just look on it from my perspective. You see, if this are going now where something not going perfectly and things mash up, then you can custom, but just work with the
You know,
situation.
say, you
See?
sound like you're mad though. It's like you catch a symptom where Pinky got, you know. Mad symptom. you know.
No, brother, I love
Love.
you call that. That
Love.
name love.
Love.
If you try sometime, man, try your love. You know what I mean?
I love.
Only Jack can
Fine,
make you
man.
forgive people. If it's me, I tell you.
But I not really that. I truly confused my brain and tell me be a crap right now where not make sense certain way. Cause you go tell me say I true love make you move so now.
Yo, brother, me a friend, you know. So me have to show you the vibes from long. Me have to show the vibes from long time. But me never feel like me supposed to do it because I know say how you take it. And I'm never sure if she really give me a second chance.
Wow.
No, she give me a second chance. And you see where I go and know me I come reason with the one away. You understand me I
But you
say?
should have make me know this before me even see it out of my eyes, bro. As a G. Cause to a girl deal with you the last time, me didn't expect you to take up back yourself and say you look second chance.
I'm nervous. She was nervous. Because she ain't go through some stuff
She
with the
did
other
nervous.
boyfriend and the boyfriend.
And
kinda-
that makes she nervous.
Yes, she
and
went-
that you classify as nervous.
No, that she say. No, that she say. All me I say to you, brother,
Why?
just,
To be
I just
friend,
understand. Well. Yo, we go hold a drink if I somebody
One day if I want disease at the road.
No, man, no matter. I love disease if I want to call it.
No man, me no want go on over there so we feel disease, you know, cause you know, yeah man,
Bro.
like he catching, I mean, no want catching something there, so go over there so with that.
Boy, it ain't easy, you know. Boy, you remember why Pinky never like you?
No business why Pinky never like me. No business.
But you remember? Me ask you if you remember.
No, is it you me even business about Pinky, me even put that palm in my brain.
True, when the phone when ring it time, and yeah, look for me like say, you may want to invite me go to the place with the whole of a woman them. And that why she not like you. Well, you can't wrong her, you know, because if she
Oi.
have her people and some people are invite fear people go somewhere other people
Let me
there.
ask you one question.
You know, say she will feel her
Let me
way,
ask
brother.
you one
So you have to
question.
give accountability for that, brother.
Let me ask you one question.
So how that gonna
Watch
feel
out.
like say she if you understand certain things. You if you understand certain things.
Let me ask you one question.
Yeah, what you say?
In the same timing when the phone nearing, much money Pinky they give you? Answer the question no.
I mean, yeah, well then give
Aye.
Okay. Oh. No, me know say me I lose my mind for you. Me just a walk left, right, and center. So you see, you start chat me now.
No, babe.
You see, you start chat me now with the look unbelief.
Look,
You see, you
go on,
start chat me
go
now.
on, we are gonna girl.
With that, there's something there. Get
Go on,
up.
we are gonna.
Get up.
Oi, yo, my friend. We don't talk to you yet, you know. We don't talk to
We
you
don't
yet.
have business.
No, where you come here, suffer? No, where you come here, suffer? Where you come here, suffer? Actually, yo, what I know, my friend?
Yo.
My friend.
So you're
Yo,
there
my
to
friend.
solid for me name.
Yo, my friend. Girl,
Eh?
that's somebody I want to
Y'all
see
live
you.
for me name.
That's somebody I want to
Me there wear on the some me a
say for somebody I
sneeze.
want to
Y'all live for me
Me say
name.
for somebody I want to
Me say me there wear on the
Me say
some
for
me a
somebody I want to
sneeze. Alright, the next time call me name.
Yo,
What?
you're lucky say I'm a friend woman more. That me I tell you.
Come.
Yo, go on, take your time and go on with her. Go on with the insect.
You have to touch him, man.
Go
Touch
on.
him.
No.
Yo, go on, you know. It's a friend. Go on, you know. Oh, but you feel like me mash it. Hitch. Me mash it no hitch. Go on, you know.
Yo, he's the brother, he's the man.
If I even use one machine for me, then see a man and they are choppy off with the boy.
Steve met the girl, you know, because I realize it. She really mad for you, you know. No, sir. It's a girl that say sneeze and we are chatting. But we are chatting for you. But boy. Alright. Boy. Boy, for my friend, a new woman, mother life.
Auntie, backside. Auntie, come like a godsend you.
Why? I just make come look for you.
You come like a godsend because right now I'm in a one shake up situation.
What's that one now?
You remember the Rasta man I dey deal with?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, say, well, we start deal back and everything, right? And the fact is that things not going where how it's supposed to go.
Look here.
Me not trust certain things where I keep up with. You understand? And me even have a friend right now who me not like because me know say him and the girl in a business.
Your friend?
Yes.
But guess what? A leopard never changes spots. And no make no sense. Yes, when you're a man done with him completely. Don't give him any second chances. Second chance him not work for a man like that.
Man like that to me, man that.
Hello. You know exactly. Just say you have a friend where you feel like you told him in a business, right? A man like that, him always a go do something on the sideline, girl. The man they not worth your time or your energy.
So me can't talk about him, so auntie.
None of that matter?
Me must say me love him, you know. He's a man that me love, so you have to take it easy, man. You have to understand.
Well, on there. So you're gonna make sure you love a man. A man break your heart not much, million pieces over and over again. And you just give him second chance. Come on, man. You're better than that. You're nice now. Any man will want you. Will you do that to the rest of the boy there?
Auntie, you can't call him dirty Rasta man. You can't do that, auntie. Me tell you, say. You can't just encourage him, but you don't have to style him, so.
Me encourage you
feel
to
that
leave
way,
him. Leave him. No bother with the second chances again. Leave him and he can go and where him go. You see them kind of man they bring destruction, you know. You know so much virus out already. We you really slow with a man there do. What him do feel? Eh? I know same as a Rasta, but I know him do straight. I feel like that man do straight. That is why you love, and that you love.
Oh, you want to call me? Shut up. Hey, auntie,
No,
nobody with me, no, auntie. Nobody with me.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Auntie, listen. A whole heap of things are going right now, you know. Whole heap of things are going with me right now, mentally. emotional. You see me can't even chat the word good. Mentally, emotionally, physically, everything I got. Right now, me feel like I need one therapist. God know.
But the therapist now epic because you constantly bring back the problem in your life.
But the more, but me the other day, me I'm left in the mouth, me start think about him. And then the time me see the man appear.
Because guess what? Him know everything what you do for play by your emotions. That is what him a do. You don't realize that you're there with a narcissist? You don't realize that? Leave the man alone, make him go and where my go, girl.
You're
You're young and you're nice.
You're a narcissist.
We do that man like that. Even mean you're stressed. You up your blood pressure up, your blood pressure down. So what on there? What you tell me say? Your life no worth living if you not have that man there? And that you try to tell me?
I never say so, but me love him.
What you love about him?
Huh?
What you love about him?
Me love everything about him, but
You like that in my cuff?
Auntie, you're gone too far now, you know, auntie. You're gone too far now, even by my cuff.
Do you know sister the man is a gruff? You know what me needs to take care of yourself. I can't tell you how to live your life because I don't know, but do not give the man then a second chance to come back into your life. Take care of yourself because
You don't give me second chance. What make you think me I go through this and now?
that's why you have to kick him to the curb and nobody give him no more chance. You understand what I say? Make him go on now and nobody give him no more chance. That not work out.
Auntie, just go on here because you not help me.
It's alright, I can't never talk to you. Take care of yourself and nobody stress yourself too much over the crosses, man.
Go on here, man.
Marika. Why? Why I'm not really there so now, but my office say me have to come check you. Because you and Pinky, I know so no grow up good and cover and grow one so but what really happened? Because the little dirty rasta man.
Hold on. You come and you just talk about me and Pinky then I got my Rasta situation.
That's what I want me talk.
Hold on. Me not understand when you say what going with me and Pinky.
That's why I'm asking now. The little dirty rasta man and Pinky depend there with you and him involved? You laugh for? Me ask you a question, you laugh.
No, because you're funny. You know why I say you're funny?
Why?
Me and Pinky, because we are sisters, because we grew up in our house.
Mm-hmm.
And you really feel the mother take Pinky, man?
But never say.
Who come to you with that story?
Listen.
No, who come to you with that
Listen,
type of story?
Me just ask a question because of things that I hear going around. I'm just asking a question.
I'm ask about one question. I say, who come to you with that?
I'm never going to tell you who come to me because a lot of people have been talking. So listen, you and Pinky, as I earlier said, you and Pinky actually literally are sister. You
So
grow up together.
You say now, you want anybody to tell you the story then? Keep it to yourself.
Right here, no, look around. That's a make sure come to you, because I don't want the ear say me could have come and I could have talked to you. Instead, my ear say later on down the road, no, me say if me didn't something happen, I say watch you, I could have talk if me didn't know. Me know say dirty man, you know, and me were no, you know, I don't know where Pinky is upon him, you know, but you know what me I tell you. You see that that low life man there where Pinky kill up himself over. Is not a good man. So if you have any friendship with him or anything at all going with him, avoid him, stay far from him.
You know, alright, since everybody I tell us me and him there, let me tell you what really go on. Him and Pinky left, right?
Mm.
Pinky call me and I go over the Pinky say, Marika, I'm stressed, I'm miss him, all these things. You understand?
Mm.
Same time when me I left from Pinky yard, you know. Guess who me see? Now the little dirty Rasta man sit up on the roadside jump. So me stop, because while we talk as friend. I say, yo, All I need to do, you know, I will fix up like a relationship because Pinky still love you and you still love Pinky. All the thing me do, I try to fix my friend relationship. But all the thing me get is accused, say me and the man there, which me and the man not even can agree. Right now, if he come and say cuss, we start cuss. We cannot agree, even though me help him out, we can't agree.
That is why you know to encourage your friend to take back a man like that. A leopard never change him spot. Encourage your friend to move on.
Me if you encourage my friend, no. If you in love with somebody right now and you say you want back a person, me I go fix your relationship.
Even when you know say the person not good for me.
That's your business and you know say relationship don't good for you, so you fit turn with your head.
But that's
you
what
come to me and say you want back a relationship, so me I go fix a relationship. If
That
you
is
don't
why
want
you're
it,
a
me I
friend.
go stay far from your relationship. You understand?
That
And
is
you want
why
to fix.
that is why you're not a friend now. Because remember, you know, so sometimes you have somebody a friend and you see them a go down the wrong road. You have to try to stop them because you think that them and them mean Pinky not good.
Listen to me. All if you want me and Pinky good or no, I mean Pinky good. Then go back together. You very nice mingle at them and see if you not get a lick in your head. You hear? Because Pinky not left him man. For me, nor you, I mean, I want him man. I mean, I don't know if you want him man.
For the already.
You understand me? Okay.
Okay, you know, me just a tell you say.
Listen, me
Be
just
careful.
help my friend to fix back our relationship because he did that stress her. And me know say the man love her too. So me just do what me have to do as a friend. Listen, me not tell nobody if left their man, you know. Because if me know a relationship, me know nobody tell me if left my man.
I don't know what only young people
So
call
if-
love, but me I go but me a
Yes,
tread
if I
on the
beat who
road.
she want or cheating or whatever, a man make them skate together.
It's alright. You know what? Me gonna be happy. But just I tell you say, when you grow together, one must live loving. And if a man gonna make one divide and be friends again, let it dirty man. Tell her to let it dirty man. Encourage her to let it dirty man. Cause you know the man no good.
Me if you encourage her to left the man, me not encourage nobody to left the man.
Alright, anyway, take care of yourself.
Hey. Come here.
I want me now.
Auntie.
Mm.
You tell her.
Jesus, so that you call me again.
Eh.
Look here, me just like hear it on the streets.
No, I lie to
Why
you.
me a lie me
You
at all?
can't lie to me. Me see it in the lie.
Me stop on the streets, me hear it from the streets.
Because the street cannot have that because the street never see me and him par road. Who tell
Listen,
you?
I ask you a question. You constantly say that the streets never see you. You and this man in or something?
So, let me ask you a question, auntie. You feel say me and him or something?
No, that's why I come and ask you.
Okay, you have little sense, guy, your yard.
It's alright, wanna be careful. Leave
You
them.
have to be careful.
Wanna encourage your friend to
Well,
leave
go
the Rasta man.
encourage Pinky so if he stay with the Rasta man.
Me.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Later.
Yeah.
Safe travel. No, you come on me yard from come tell me far from me ears. If my friend want a relationship to fix, me go fix it. If he don't want to be fixed, me not go fix it.
I feel so good, you know, say. Look at us now. Here for me. Look at us now. Hmm? You still have attitude there?
Me want to sit down.
See me lap now.
So me overlap.
See me lap.
So but how can I say lick your head?
Yeah, for the-
They got me foot them.
No matter how
You
much
love touch.
What you mean? I must
Eh?
love touch you. No matter how much I be nice and say, it's like it not work out.
Me tell you, you know, me just can't believe the girl there.
Which girl? You still up
What
on
you
that?
mean by which girl?
Are your friend?
Not the girl me claim to say I'm my friend. I have to claim. Because guess what now? Me can't believe that me tell the girl something. Me a reason with her about something now. She really I do this to me.
What
I
she-
look me man. Tell me now.
You mean
I
it's
look
your man?
I'm afraid of that with.
Eh?
I don't have friend.
No!
Listen to me now. Play with me now. Come in and share me man. Don't play with me now.
Me not do them something. What you other them?
Hear me I tell her don't
Look,
play
let me
with me. Oh. Rubbish. Me just can't believe. Me can't believe you and me can't believe she. What kind of dealings and the girl in her?
Me and she not in no dealings. Only thing she tell me is what me need to hear. That's all. She tell me what me need to hear. And when she tell me feel more motivated because you see if my brethren boy be know me know how me go even check him and make him know say boy things gone because You know, he was there. You know, if you listen to what me I said to him based on the fact say, me ain't hurt. You understand me I say, and me have to run him sometime I can go on because I don't want him to see me a ball. Me ball for you, baby. Me ball for you.
The grandma funny look a dirty boy name too. You think me like him?
Mm.
And him me not like him.
But
Say
you
yeah,
see-
them big.
Yep.
Think me like him? Eh?
Make you gone,
Me tell
son.
you, me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something. If you like you can't tell me for that.
Me not
Eh?
Dave,
Eh?
listen to me. What you call idiot?
Eh?
Idiot that sitting wanna make, you know?
You don't see what I make.
No make
Eh?
because yo,
You're
everybody
damn right, because I can't believe you exist. Continue talk.
just look for me now. Over here, see me there, and a bush me there. Are you even know where they are bush?
Me stress out.
Stress out for
Me
what?
a
We are
smoke
stress.
and me have to smoke. No, me stress out.
You know, so this morning when I buy one cigarette, me say to myself, say, why you smoke again for me there? I'm home now, baby. Baby, I'm home. We can just live life good and you give me a second chance, me have to take it. What if you light all the place? What go happen now? Just take that off your mind, man. Make that go on. You know, important, not necessary.
I'm fully upset.
Upset about what?
I'm fully upset.
Nothing happened.
I'm fully upset because
So-
me just can't trust this. Me
Can't
can't
trust what?
trust this. Yeah, nah, me can't trust no man.
Uno man. No
Me
put me na
can't
uno.
trust no. That me say. I mean, no see you hear me loud and clear.
Yeah,
Me
but you have
can't
to
trust
shout
no.
at me ears. You have to shout at me ears like me deaf. Me not deaf. It's about time now we just smooth sailing and calm sea.
Right now, me I want to get up for that.
No,
That's
no,
a stink of shit.
I mean, so get up and go walk now
That's
and
a
talk.
stink of shit. Get up more and get up for yourself.
No, but look how long we no walk and we walk now and talk now. Hold me hand now.
You don't have to hold me hand. No hold me hand.
As a couple go.
No
As a
hold me.
couple and romantic.
Listen to me now. Me just give one chance. You know, so nobody come. No feel fool in yourself. Walk. No hold me hand.
So make a test me, baby. What karate you high you playing?
Because me plan to hang you. Me plan to hang you. Come on.
Wait, alright, come here. 1 second. Come here, sis. Stop. What really are going with it, like mentally speaking? I understand. Because you're just aggressive.
If you say something not going to happen,
I never say something not going to happen. I never say something not going to happen. Call you mad. But me I say you go on like say boy, you may have man like how much money you have when me you never involved. Alright, go on.
20.
Go on. Come on, you got to me some food.
Yeah.
Oh, not back now. Put your hand back on me. Now, people want to. What's that? What's that? I'm going to this side. America. Yeah, what going? I really want to win a conversation like, because I guess I know a lot of things are going, and it just feel complicated. Because for my girl, I know why she feel like say me in things. You understand me I say? What? She called up to meet up with you? What do you mean? Like she want you to? Oh, that sound good, man. It look like she get over it finally. If I saw it, yeah. You can go and check her and thing. That sound good, man. That's a very good idea. Me there that's a wait for Bulby for forward. I'm supposed to have one, some business to start out. Yeah. Alright. I must call her and say, that is a big surprise, man. Do you think? Alright, cool. Alright, my girl, cool. Bless up, man. See, everything work out the right way, right? Good. God is good, eh? Everything will work out good.
But thinking me not do nothing. What me do? Me only put back a relationship
Who
together.
are which relationship? Hey, girl, shut up your mouth. You know, say, oh, my man.
Me no
Shut
want
up
your
your
man
mouth.
thinking me and your friend. Why
Right.
me no want
Shut
man
up your
think-
mouth. Stop it nice. That me say.
Thinking me and your best
Before
friend, you
me
know.
mash out your face. Stop it nice.
Thinking me and your best friend, you know. Pinky. Pinky.
Oh, dirty dog, how are you there? Eh? So, hold on there. When things get so bad, but don't call me no dirty dog. Hey, let me tell you something, you know, right now, me have a girl up here, sir. And you see,
Pinky.
all the thing you are going to hear about her is she up on the news. Say she dead.
Pinky, me
You
and your friend,
understand?
no Pinky.
Because
me
there's
and
so
your
many
blame
of the bag you want me have. Shut up your mouth. Remember which woman? Marika. You see what me have in my bag right now? I just see face me and empty. Hey girl, don't move in up and make. How you try do? Yo, let me tell you something. Me there course me there.
Pinky, me ears are can't keep it, Pinky.
Oi, me get the news, you know. Me get the news. Somebody tell me say you're the girl that talk for true. What? Come on for this.
Pinky. Pinky, me not like what Pinky. Pinky, you best look scary, Pinky.
When they take me man,
Pinky, me never take your
when
man.
they take me man,
Pinky, me
you
never.
didn't like it. So what you mean by not like a person now?
Pinky, me and your friend.
Yo,
Pinky, me
shut
never
up
trouble
your
man.
mouth, you, stop it nice.
Brother, come here, man. No, not that, brother. Yo, listen,
But
man.
I still run down back and yo, you see you not learn, you know. I read and start, you know, income like a pestilence, you know. I'm tell you, you have to learn.
No, listen, man.
You
I
have to
said,
learn, my youth.
Yo. Me love the girl, brother.
Love.
Me love the girl, that's the problem.
So that's your move, so.
Yeah, because, yo, sometimes when you love someone, you have to let go, brother. Me, I tell them, I don't know what she do me. I never obvious job, me. You got obvious?
You have to go check you out for you, you know.
But, brother, I don't know where I go on, but, yo, me thank you for forward, you know. I swear to God, but,
No,
yo,
do me, you know. Just don't say 100% a year fault, you know, because you come here, you know.
brother, you support me, brother. It's cool, you're so easy,
You're
man.
mad.
Eh?
Let me see what I go on. Come
Alright,
on.
come in.
Pinky, I did seriously. I said you different.
Tap it nice. Tap it nice.
Pinky, me and your friend, girl.
Tap it nice.
Where you do?
Yo,
Eh?
don't come close to me now. Don't, if you ever move, don't come close to me now.
I mean, you come close to
Don't
you.
come close to me, let me shut you up.
So, we get,
Girl, move now, you see. Move where you
what you
see.
do, her?
Move where you see. You think me know say you're not there? Eh? What am I do?
Just, just relax, the man.
What am I saying?
Yo, bring her,
Where you come for ginger bite?
Eh?
There's a girl there.
Where you come? Where you come for ginger bite? Where you
Relax,
come
the
for?
man.
Yo, watch out, man.
Where you
Carol,
come
Carol,
for?
Carol,
You
Carol.
don't want more. Guys, we're making it at the end of the movie. I'm gonna want to know, support the movie please by sharing it, liking it, make your comment and subscribe to the channel. Because remember, you know, yes, when you share the movie, it get more views and that's what we need. So please share the movie, guys. Remember to subscribe. Big up on the nice screen self. Thanks for the support. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top, we're gonna sweet